Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2020 Galeon 55 Fly. First thing we're going to notice is the beautiful teak on the back of the swim platform here. That does actually carry throughout into the back of the boat. The hydraulic swim platform. It's kind of hard to see when it's up, but this will go down with the flip of a switch. Give you some nice little transitioning steps all the way into the water. As we make our way in, we have a ton of seating back here. It's a super comfortable spot to sit. Beautiful table. Depending on how many people you do have, we can obviously fold it out a little bit more. There is a bar underneath the table, which does extend it and gives it some nice support. All right, we're gonna make our way up to the Flybridge. Awesome teak steps, again, a continuation from the swim platform. Another table here, again, same thing, folds out depending on how many people you have. Huge amount of space back here in the back, so there's no shortage of seating on the boat. On our port side, we have a Kenyan cooktop, fridge, sink, and ice maker. Up at the helm, almost mirrored down there from inside the cockpit. You have one less Raymarine screen, but still, we have our Raymarine autopilot. Digital readout for our Volvo twin 725s. Bow and stern thrusters, same thing as down below. But again, this huge sun pad here. Great opening up top on a gorgeous day like today. I mean, you just have a ton of visibility and great exposure to the sun. Let Frank show you that big pad up there. Awesome spot to catch the rays. All right, let's make our way back down. As we make our way in, you can see we obviously have this door open here right now. If you want, depending on if it's a little bit cooler like a day like today, you can slide these doors all the way over. Again, give you some great coverage from the weather and the elements outside. But as we make our way in, first thing you're gonna notice is, I mean, there's a ton of open space here. All right. Awesome little bar top area here in the galley. We do have freezer and fridge. Great storage for all your drinks and your food. Kenyan cooktop, microwave, cutting board, which is actually covering your sink there. That's another great thing that Galeon does. I mean, they really maximize every square inch of the boat. I mean, there's storage all around. Nice little cubby holes here that do extend outward. So, I mean, that's just one of many storage containers on the boat. Making our way up again. I mean, look at the awesome lighting that Galeon does. You can see around the tray here, dimmable lights throughout. We have a gorgeous table here that will, I mean, right now obviously it's up. It's a good spot to hang out with your friends, maybe have a little dinner. But if not, this will go down, and there is a pad that goes over on top of it, transforming it into either another spot to sleep, or if you just want more room to lounge around in. TV here will actually go all the way downward, giving you more visibility, but if you do maybe want to catch the game, you know, it's a great spot to just hang out here and watch some TV. Up at our helm, again, pretty similar to up there on the Flybridge, but twin Raymarine screens. Again, digital readout for our Volvo, autopilot, Seakeeper on this boat, if you're familiar with that, gyro stabilization, and our bow and stern thrusters. But just awesome visibility all throughout. Making our way down, Frank will head up there before me, excuse me. Right here we do actually have our panel is right here. Oh, excuse me. So again, everything can be read out right there. Nice, easy to read, easy to handle. On our starboard side, we are going to have twin beds. Plenty of room in there. They can actually slide together. All right, our forward berth. No cushions on this one, so I do apologize. But again, just awesome tray lighting. You know, lighting back here. Ton of spots for storage. Beautiful skylight here. little ventilation too. This ventilation hatch will pop open. Awesome hanging closets. All right, you open, turn the lights on via the door opening. We are gonna have some TVs in here too. And our day head, you do have a door there, but also a door in the forward berth here. I mean, I know this is nicer than my bathroom in my house, but look at the shower. The shower's awesome. It's beautiful in there. Waterfall shower ceiling, or drain, excuse me. All right, your head, obviously your sink, mirrors all around. It's an awesome spot. And then, last cabin, the master stateroom. Ton of room in here. I'm about 5'10", so there's a ton of head clearance. Beautiful accent lighting all the way around. Obviously TV, very big. Another hanging closet. Another thing that Galeon does, which I love in this model, at least, I mean, you have a nice little sink there, which is nice, depending if you're going out, you know, whatever marina you're in, but you do have an awesome little makeup area here. Nice spot to get ready. Storage in there too. Beautiful high gloss finishing throughout the boat. I mean, you can see it everywhere. But again, more windows. And then we also have awesome feature here, washer dryer combo. You can see this too, this awesome Alcantara suede-like material. This is found on Aston Martins, I believe. But it's gorgeous. You can see this all throughout the boat. Again, it might be a little hard to see, but one thing I was touching on, the high gloss finishing on all of the doors, multiple color wood inlays there. Lighting all throughout too. I mean, so at nighttime, even in a lot of the cabins, you can see all the lighting on the floor. Gives you nice walkways. And then we're going to make our way up to the bow now. We'll show you the bow seating up there. I apologize for the wind if it is a little windy. One thing I can say, I mean, there's a ton of room. This is nice and wide, beautifully appointed grab handles all the way throughout. You feel nice and safe walking all the way up here. Obviously, we do have windlass anchor controls up here, but which always seems to be the focal spot and points is these loungers up here. I mean, these are just beautiful. They're a great spot to sit. Nice cup holders. Again, this is the skylight and little ventilation access right there. All right, guys, again, this is Peter Solm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Apologize if I missed any options. If you want to see the boat in person, go over a little bit more in detail. I'll be happy to walk you through it. 732-551-8914. Thank you.